This video is on potty training and what you can do to make the process more engaging and smooth for your child. Now, with boys in particular, one really fun technique that some kids really like is to use toilet targets. There are some that are sold commercially on Amazon, so if you Google that, you'll be able to see a variety of little targets that people might put inside the toilet. But a really simple and very inexpensive way to make your own homemade target is to take something like a Cheerio, pop it in the toilet, and ask your child to aim while they are going to the bathroom. So this helps make the process a bit more engaging. It turns it into a bit of a game, and also it helps develop some aiming skills, hopefully. So if you haven't tried toilet targets for boys, give it a try. It's a really fun and pretty classic type of method to help kids out with potty training.